will cover what Medicare doesn't pay and could save you in out-of-pocket medical costs. Call now to request your free decision guide and learn more about the kinds of plans that will be here for you now and down the road.
I have a lifetime of experience, so I know how important that is.
We'd love to hear what you think about the X1 platform. Give me something to search.
Maybe Kelly.
Sure, let's do that.
Awesome. It's everything new all in one place.
Check this out, it's great. What should I watch? Okay, I wasn't even asking you. The X1 recommends things based on stuff I've watched.
The Mindy Project.
Okay, you can search by genre.
Mindy Kaling cute. Okay, I'm just gonna take that. Mindy Kaling sexy.
Recommendations, search, and voice control, all part of the X1 platform, your entertainment operating system. Only from Xfinity.
I'm serious. We compare delivery side by side to find a great deal, even if it's not with us. Oh, that's helpful.
Well, our company does that too. Actually, we invented that. It's like a sauna in here.
Helping you save even if it's not with us. Now that's progressive. Call or click today.
No más pantalones.
No más.
C
The
is
Louie.
for cozy caresses. U is for uninhibited affection. Meow. T is for time spent together. E is for enjoying every moment. 2 cute kittens. New episode Saturday at 9. Animal Planet. Surprising you. Marathon runner Nathan Yang has been struck down by a mysterious illness. Plagued by fevers and fatigue, he has gone from being an elite athlete to a frail shell of himself in just a few months. My symptoms just continue to get worse and worse. It's probably one of the worst things that I've ever had. Now his doctor has discovered a terrifying new symptom. His spleen has swollen to 5 times its normal size.
I was very concerned that if we didn't have a diagnosis soon, Nathan would die.
With no idea what is causing Nathan's spleen to swell, Dr. Dizuki is left with one final option: remove the spleen altogether.
One can live a totally normal life without a spleen. However, taking the spleen out is often the last resort.
Dr. Dizuki scheduled Nathan for surgery to have his spleen taken out. But before the operation can go ahead, the doctors do one final series of blood tests.
They take my blood, they wanted to make sure that we